And once your avatar appears instead of a zoomed profile photo, your Instagram profile picture can no longer be easily expanded by others. While this doesn't completely block all zoom actions in every case, it significantly limits how your profile photo is viewed. If you don't see the official option to disable profile picture zoom, you can use a simple workaround with avatars. Go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Select Edit Picture or Avatar, tap on your avatar, and choose Add to Profile Picture. Save the changes and return to your profile. Now, when someone swipes on your profile picture, your avatar appears instead of a zoomed photo, making it harder for others to enlarge your picture. However, the best and most reliable method is using the official privacy setting, if available. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and open Settings. From there, go to Account Privacy. Under the Private Account section, look for Allow Profile Picture Expansion and turn it off. This prevents others from zooming in on your profile picture. Keep in mind that this option may not be available for all users yet, as Instagram rolls out features gradually. If you don't see it, using the avatar method is a useful alternative until the setting becomes available. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to stop profile picture zoom on Instagram using both official settings and a simple trick. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips.